In this video, we are going to go over the Number Rack app in Bridges. I'm going to open the app right in my Chrome browser here, and this is what we see when we first open it. We see a number rack that has 20 beads, 2 rows of 10. Some of the features of this: first, you can add and remove rows of beads. You can go all the way down to 10 beads, and you can go all the way up to, I believe, 100. The feature right next to that changes the order of the bead color. And what it does is you're going to notice that that's white right now. I'm going to go down to 5 rows. So 50 beads, I don't have that option. It's once I go more than 50 that I start to have that option. So if I click that, you're going to notice that bottom row, it flips the order of the colors. And it will do that for everything from 60 beyond. I have the screen here, which allows you to hide things. So a great example of this might be if you want students to make 10, you might drag some beads over. Now, when dragging your beads, you can grab one bead at a time. Or if you want to move 4 beads, you can go into the 4th bead and click it and drag it, and it will move everything to the left over. So I can drop my screen down, and what I can do is I can show this to kids, and I can say, okay, how many beads do you see? They would tell me 6, and then I would say how many are hidden, and they would have to figure out that it would be 4 because 6 plus 4 equals 10. You could click the eye, and it would show that indeed it is 4 beads. Click the eye again, and it hides it, or click the X, and it gets rid of it. You do have the equation tool right here to write equations. You have the text feature, so if you wanted to write a problem up on the board or directions for students. You also have the pen feature, allowing you to draw on your board and to erase if necessary. You have, and then you have your sharing options. So again, you might have students working out problems on this, and then they click that share button. They can save an image to their Chromebook, or they can share a link, and they can do both of these right in Google Classroom by going to the assignment that you've given them and clicking the add or create button. There is an option to upload from your computer, which would be for the image, or they do give you the option of sharing a link, which is probably the easier option for students to pick. So that is an overview of the Number Rack.